Guess who? Go west. I'll bet the guy who said that ain't been west of Hoboken. Not a living thing in sight. Nothing but that tree. At last, a square meal. Petrified.
Vamoose, you ornery cayuse.
Well, a real live human being. Reckon I better go down and pay my respects.
Get lost, you punk.
Shush, what a grouch.
You dirty little stool pigeon. I'll get you for this.
There he is, boss. Get him.
I'll get even with that woodpecker. There you are. There.
That Shorty Snorter's the best darn rock breaker we ever had here.
I'm busting out of this bird cage. I'm gonna get my revenge.
They look like Shorty.
Now, Shorty, we got a nice, peaceable town here, and we aim to keep it that way.
Nothing stands in the way of me and my revenge. That's him.
Hey, just a cotton-picking minute, Shorty. You might hurt somebody.
This is a showdown, Woodpecker!
Dimpled knees.
Give me my clothes. Concern of that little gold beak. This time we do it like they do on TV. Draw.
Oops, wrong gun.
Now, once more. Draw. Concern it, do it right.
Oh, all right, sorehead.
Draw. Go darn it, that rabbit hootin' bolt.
Excuse me, may I be of some assistance?
Put me down, you ornery flea bag. No. Don't bother me, boy. Leave a message.
Get the message?
Getting so a horse can't get a clean drink around here.
Hey, do you want a gunfight, or are you gonna waste all day playing in the water?
No, this time it's him or me, and it ain't me. Draw. No, you got me. Congratulations. You're the only living man to ever outdraw Shorty Snorter.
Bye. Chocolate.
I've been hornswoggled. Just keep right on walking. I'll tell you when to stop. He's dead, and good riddance. I got my revenge.
Hey! When you gonna tell me to stop?
No, go away. Don't come any closer. You're a ghost.
Boo! You looking for me? Or me? Or me?
Yeah, 3 of them.
Friend of yours? Nope, never saw him before. Me neither.
Hey, let me in. I'll come back. Let me in.
What's the password?
The ghost.
That's the password. Guess who?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This air tree, she have to go.
Well, I'll be a dirty bird.
Timber!
Well, I fly down, but I get air sick. I could swim down, but I haven't got a bathing cap. Or I could just walk down. No, that's too slow. I know. Contact!
Where are you going?
Home.
You're cute.
Mabel!
Hocus pocus, Woodpecker be gone.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun! Da-dum dum dum da 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 dee dee dee.
Oh, no. Not the old firecracker gang.
Now, shoot if you must, this old gray head. But spare my bowling ball, he said. Here's your old bowling ball.
Thank you. Guess who?
Well, what does it say?
It says da-da-di-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Shut up.
Ooh, I hate him.
To Station Master, Saddle Sword Junction. Clear tracks for special train carrying gold bullion. Gold bullion? Let's go! Just a minute! Now cut that out! Stick 'em up!
Where's the gold bullion?
I won't tell.
Oh, please do.
Well, if you insist, it's in there.
I'm rich! I'm rich! I'm rich!
Watch your step, mister.
Start dancing, Woodpecker.
You're cool, man.
I hate you.
I like you.
Hey! McDonald's?
Ticket, please.
Why, you...
In the deck. Who's there?
Fuller brush, man. All right, sucker. Where's the gold bullion? Cool. I'm rich. Bullion soup. Soup. Bullion soup. Hey, Taylor, what we got for lunch?
Gold bullion. Yep, gold bullion soup.
Get me out of here. I'm going mad. Take me